All right, guys, so I thought I'd just record a short video explaining how to do this Pythagoras pileup. So what you're going to do is you're going to start at the very bottom, okay? So you're going to find the missing side length starting at the bottom. So if we look at this bottom triangle A, we're missing this side here, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, so to find that, the leg squared times the leg squared equals the hypotenuse. So we're just going to be using Pythagorean theorem all over the place here. So 7 squared plus 20 squared equals, I don't know, I'm going to call it g squared for green squared. Or maybe I should call it a squared since it's for triangle A. Let's call it a squared for triangle A. Okay, so 49 plus 400 equals a squared. And then that's just 449 equals a squared. Now to undo a square, we square root it. Okay, so the square root of 449 gives me 21.18962. Now on these, since we're going to use this over and over and over and over and over, go ahead and round to quite a few, at least 3 decimal places. Okay, I'm going to round to 4 here. Okay, 21.1896. So this green is 21.1896. Okay, now I'm going to move up to triangle B. Okay, so if I look at triangle B, I know this side, I know this side. I don't know this right here. Okay, right now I don't worry about this 6 and I don't worry about this size, this 5. I'm just worried about this yellow piece right here. All right, so if I'm looking at just triangle B, notice that I don't need the entire green piece. Okay, I need the entire green piece minus this. Okay, so I would take 21.1896 minus my 7, which gives me 14.1896. So this part here is 14.1896. Okay, then I'm going to set up to solve the yellow. So I would do leg squared plus leg squared equals my hypotenuse squared, which is my B. Okay, so 6 squared plus 14.1896 squared gives me 237.3447 equals B squared. Okay, now to undo a square, we would square root that. So I get B is roughly 15.406. So this whole yellow line is 15.406. Okay, now if I were to move up to triangle C, I would need this piece right here. Okay, well, to find this piece right here, I would take this entire green piece and I could subtract this to where I just get from here to here, but then I need to add this. Okay, so I'd take this 15.406 minus the 6 plus the 5, and that would give me 14.406. So this right here is 14.406. Okay, and then you just continue on upward. The key here is to go slow and steady, and I highly encourage you to work alongside someone and check your answers as you go. Please let me know if you have any questions.